guys, in this video we are going to be looking at helping you to calculate how much fabric you will need for your curtain when you're trying to accomplish your curtain by using some curtain tape to do your heading. We'll also look at how many yards of curtain tape you will need, or heading tape. Now we are doing gathering tape. Now in the last video we looked at various tapes, and I'm going to be doing calculation for each of them because there is a little difference with each one, right? And if you're going to use one of them, you want to make sure that when you're doing your curtains, it will fit properly. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to figure out is the length of the track, or the length of the curtain rod that will be used for our curtains. Now let's say we are using a curtain rod that is 74 inches long. What we need to do is multiply our curtain rod by, or the length of our curtain rod by 1.5 or 2. So that's 74 multiplied by either 1.5 or by 2. Now there is that range because, as I said in the previous lesson, shearing tape, pencil plate, and gathering tape are pretty forgiving. They are not specific, and so you can make them tighter or you can make the gathers more loose. So I'm going to use 2. You could do 1.5. So that would be 74 times 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So that's 148 inches of fabric. But that is for your finish curtain, right? So what we need to do is take this 148 and we're going to add increments for our hems, side hems. We are going to split our curtain into 2, so we're making 2 curtain panels. If we're making 2 curtain panels, it means then that we are going to need 4 side hems. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we need 4 side hems and each hem requires 4 inches for our 2-inch double hem, it means that we multiply 4 side hems by 4 inches for each. So that's 4 4s are 16 inches. We'll take this 16 inches and we'll add that to our 148 inches. So that's 16, 8 to 10, 4 14, 4 5 6. That's 164 inches of fabric. Now let's go back to our 148 because I did say we're going to calculate how much fabric, yards of fabric we need, and or how many, right? Not much, but how many yards of fabric we will need, and also how many yards of gathering tape we will need. However, we need the fullness, and so we multiplied the 74 inches by 2. So we have 2 times fullness. And yeah, be my guest, if you want 3 times fullness, you can actually multiply by 3. As I said, the gathering tape is very forgiving. When we're doing the triple pin split, stuff like that, you just got to stick with a particular measurement. But for your pencil pleat, your gathering, your shearing, you can go a little above what is required here. So you can go 2.5 or 3. That will give you more fullness, right? Anyways, what we did was multiply the 74 by 2 and we got 148 inches. So we need 148 inches of tape. However, we need a little increment on the ends of the tape so that we can actually turn the tape over and stitch, and that would be on 4 different sides because we have 2 panels, right? I would suggest that for each side you add at least an inch of overage so you can fold it in order to stitch it so it's finished neatly. Therefore, if we're allowing an inch for each side, it's going to be an additional 4 inches. So that's plus 4 equals 152 inches. Now what we do with this 152 inches is divide by 36 because there are 36 inches in a yard. 4.2. So we need 4.2 yards of gathering tape for our project here. If you want to find out how many meters that is, you can multiply by 0.91. So that is our tape. Now let's get back to how much fabric we need. We've established that the width of our fabric, which includes the hems, is 164. Now we need to divide this by the width of our fabric. I'm going to use a 54-inch width fabric, so I'll divide by 54. That's a pretty common width. If you have a 60-inch width, then you divide by 60. If you have a 48-inch width, then you divide by 48. Let's divide 164 by 54 inches, and that is 3.0. which means that we will need 3 widths of fabric to make our 2 curtain panels. So we need 3 widths of fabric. And generally, if you've seen my video lessons before, you will know what a width of fabric is. I have a window treatments playlist on the channel. Check it out. There is a wealth of information there. So this is a width of fabric from self edge to self edge. So we will need 3 of these to go across our window to make 2 curtain panels. That's just the width. In order to find how many yards of fabric we need, we now have to consider our length. So how long is your finished curtain going to be? Let's say our length, finished length, is 80 inches. We need to add increments for our top hem and our bottom hem. Generally, we use a 4-inch double hem. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a 4-inch double hem for this calculation. If you're using a 2-inch double hem or a 3-inch double hem, then you'll make that adjustment when you're doing your calculation. So if I'm doing a 4-inch double hem at the top, it means I'm going to turn and turn again. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to need an extra 8 inches for my top hem and an extra 8 inches for my bottom hem. So that's 2 8s or 16. So I'm going to need 16 inches more. On top of that 80 inches, that's 96 inches. Now, generally, when we finish calculating, we usually get a little more fabric than what we really calculate, because a part of the standard calculation is that you add maybe like a 2 inches for cut off, you know, when you buy your fabric and it's not cut straight and you have to cut it straight at home. Yeah, it's suggested that you add extra inches for that. So you can include that if you want. However, I'm not going to include it here right now. So let's go with 96 inches. What we do next is take this 96 inches and we multiply by the number of widths that we need, which is 3. So it's 96 times 3. Let's do some long multiplication here. Or do we use, let's just use our calculator. So that's 288 inches. So in order to find out how many yards of fabric we will need, we go ahead and we divide the 288 by 36. And that is 8. 288 divided by 36. And that is 8 yards. So we need 8 yards of fabric and we need 4.2 yards of shirring tape, gathering tape. They're pretty similar, right? Now, if you want to find out how many meters that is, you multiply by 0.91. I hope you got value from this lesson. If you did, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you will be notified of upcoming videos. Can't wait to connect with you when we do another lesson.